3 of the Steelers rebuild players, it looks like. You have CeeDee and Lamb. We definitely want him. I'll give him that. Yeah, I'm franchise tagging him, even if he says no, bro. But if he says yes, we have Byron Muse. Nice. New Wallace. He didn't accept last time, so. Holy shit, he does not want to be with us at all. This is his second year of rejecting our offers. Must not want to be with us at all, bro. Damn. Some debt and some positions. I mean, this is our second year franchise tagging him in a row, so. I mean, unless. Let's go into free agency week 1. Oh, we got 03. That's nice. Let's see if there's anyone else. Woods. No, we already got Meek. Oh, we do not have a backup free safety though, so we do kind of need one. So that will help out our team. This guy, I mean, once Stephon Gilmore retires, then we'll need corner. So targeted these two, and we get them. Let's go. Let's hop into some trading. Let's go. We do end up getting some really good backups, so that's nice. Still 91. Next, what else? Maybe get a tight end? We have decent tight ends, but maybe I'd like a tight end. And like some middle linebackers. Let's go. We just got rid of OBJ and got a good young backup middle linebacker and a good backup tight end. That's pretty nice. So I do think that is good. And so I think we should go to our lineup to see if we have any big position needs. Okay, so I think we should go to the draft and start it. So yeah, let's go.
The Pittsburgh Steelers are now on
you have
the
20th
clock.
picks. Okay, we do kind of need a strong safety. Stephen Forbes.
The Carolina Panthers.
Hidden Dev. Let's go, baby. So that's like we're going to sim the 7th round picks. So that will be the end of the draft. I'm easily getting 87 overall free safety any day from this. Let's go. That's a really good trade, so that's nice. So, do we accept? Honestly, yeah, we'll take basically the same guy, just higher dev trade, so. Take Murphy. Yeah, I think we should go to regular season. Okay, so we are here at regular season. Let's get our 3 and 3, 4. Hey! Let's go. We just got Will Anderson to make our D-line actually the scariest in the league. Okay, so let's actually play one drive of offense and then play one drive of defense. So yeah, let's hop in. Okay, so we do start out on we start out on offense. Let's give it a Keon Coleman. Let's go. The first time playing. So starting in front of him, so yeah. Gonna hit Coleman right here. Trying to hit maybe Pickens or Coleman. Oh, we break the sack. George Pickens wide open. Let's go. Duke. And we get the touchdown. So for defensive drive, we will be playing. So yeah, let's get Holcomb. Come on. Oh, we just got our. So let's get Anderson. User. Come on. We're just thriving on us right now. Trying to hold them. You're TJ. Shit, they scored a touchdown. So on defense, we let up a touchdown. On offense, we scored a touchdown. So let's honestly go to midseason from here. We're at the playoffs. Okay, we kind of fell off a bit. 11-6 only. Again. So yeah, let's go. Come on. Yes, sir, we win. We win. Now I have to go against the Jaguars, who we lost to last time. Freaking Jaguars. Okay, I swear, if I lose this, I'll be so mad. They were Super Bowl champions last year. We lost to Jaguars again, bro. Why are the Jaguars so much better than us? This game is stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh, well, I don't know what to say, bro. Let's just go to the off season. Half our team. Let's go. Oh shoot, I almost just forgot to resign him. Micah Parsons. We'll get him. I'm not losing Micah Parsons. TJ Watt. He's getting a bit old, so we might have to trade him away soon. Going down, bro. Najee, please accept this. Yes. Anderson. Oh, I'll just accept his fifth year option. Low risk. Yes, sir. Justin Fields. Low risk. Yes, sir. Braxton. Accepting him. Accept. Zach Allen. Low risk. Braden Smith. Very low. Yes, sir. We'll come. Hopefully I can get him with the medium. And we do. Let's go. Deontay Jackson. Him an offer. Sicky. You would offer. Wallace. Well, wait, I'll let you get some players. Whatever. I don't think I need any of these guys. I need this guy. Starting left guard. We will get him. Since he never accepts, what if I like a ton of money? Nobody can turn that. So I'm like giving him like very low risk plus a ton of money. Okay, so he finally accepts without me needing to franchise tag him. Oh, we could hop into free agency. Woo, we got all three. Now we gotta hope there's still some good players. Oh no, more still here. Let's go. Him an offer, probably train him away. Give him an offer, then probably trade him away. Then we have one more. How old is this guy? 30. So trying to find a pretty young middle linebacker. Get some depth for our right outside linebacker since we don't have much. Well, 4, 5, 6. That's third about all. So yeah, let's go. This goes. Hey, let's go. We just got it through. Glenn Warren. Whoa, we just got Sauce Gardner. And we just got it through. Let's go. Trevor Lawrence. That's huge. Let's go check out our team right now. So let's go, man. That's crazy. 94, 90. That's sick. Sick. Nice. I mean, our team is good. I don't see any holes in it. Like, Middle linebacker is a really important position, and we don't really have like an insane like middle linebacker one. Or I could just move this guy to middle linebacker, you know. I'll just move Alex Highsmith to middle linebacker. Yes, sir. Creed Humphrey and a third for Ryan Kelly and 2 firsts. 95 overall, so I think we should just sim to next season and see how we are. So, yep. Okay, so we are at regular season. We got some upgrades for our players. Nice. So I will just let's just make sure all the new guys I got were starting, because it would suck if they were not starting. We gotta make sure. Oh, we also gotta get rid of Kelvin Ridley. Whatever. Let's go to midseason. At midseason, 7-0. Let's go. That's like, we've been 7-0 for the last like 3 seasons though, so I wasn't expecting much else really, but yeah, team's looking good, upgraded players, so honestly, let's just send it to the playoffs. We're at the playoffs, 16-1. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Just don't lose in the divisional round, and that's all I'm hoping. 16-1. Let's go. All we need to do is not lose in the divisional. Just don't lose in the divisional round, and we will probably win the Super. We have never passed the divisional round, so come on, please. It's freaking 9-8, and we're 99 overall. We better not lose this. We win! We finally win it. We actually, first time win it, going past the divisional round. That's crazy. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Come on, please say we win this. Please, 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 please. We win! We're on to the Super Bowl. Yes, sir. We gotta upgrade our players. Calvin Ridley at quarterback. He doesn't get any upgrades, but oh my god. Top to the Super Bowl. Let's go, man. We're gonna play key moments for this game. It's what we've been waiting for. Let's go. This rebuild's been really long, so it might finally be over. I had to make my team a 99. I had to rebuild to a 99 overall to win a freaking to at least even go to the AFC Championship. On their ball, 4th and 3. They're going for it. Come on, let's go. They're going for it. They are going for it. We need to stop them. Come on, get him, get him. No, How was their ball in the red zone? Maybe get a fumble. We're looking on simulation, but this is arcade, so there's gonna be a lot of fumbles. So I'll try to get good hit stick in. Give me that! Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Just dropped it. He was like wide open actually there. He's like wide open. So luckily our corner ran over him. Highsmith. So we missed that. Shoot, why is Mika Fitzpatrick so far away if he's starting George Kittle? Mika Fitzpatrick! Okay, we're down at the 1, of course, instead of the 20-yard line. Safety would be horrible. Let's go get a good running play in. You know, have time to throw the ball and all that stuff. Come on, Pat Freiermuth. Nice. Nice catch. I hit on screen pass. No, I don't. I gotta see. I kind of like that. I can't see Coleman or Pickens getting open. See Pickens. Oh, that's triple coverage, but he catches it. Let's go. And triple coverage. We're at Freiermuth. Outside receiver, so. Come on, run with Drake May. Get outside. Nice. I'm trying to hit CeeDee Lamb here. Like a more of a that route, more of a fake inside. And we get him, CeeDee Lamb. That's a touchdown to put us up by 7. Oh, we got the ball back. Wait, I could see their defense. Well, that's Drake May's X Factor. I could see their defense. So, according to my calculations, he's going to be wide open. Yeah, there's nobody there. Bro, I could see their defense and literally see what defense they're doing. Bro, the audibles are going to be... Okay, I could hit CeeDee right off since there's nobody there. Hit CeeDee immediately. No, that was a bad... that was late. If I hit that earlier, that would have been a 1 or touchdown. 3rd and 4. Come on, Queen. Patrick Queen. Oh, that's nice user tackle, but whatever, they get it. Let's go. 3rd and 12 at 32. We must have got a sack. Oh, he got the X Factor over there. Jair. Why are they running on 3rd and 12? And we get a fumble. Let's go. And we get the ball back. Let's go. Empty vertical. Oh, I can't see their... What do we need to do? We need to throw 5-yard passes in the air in a row. That shouldn't be that hard. 5 yards only. That's 1. Oh, we can't get... We won't be able to get 5 yards here since we're at the 1-yard line. So it's going to reset it, I think. So that's all I'm going to run it. Okay. Try to get Najee's first touch of the game. Because that X Factor is really, really good. No, we don't get it there. Whatever. Like a stretch over there. Stretch play over there. And truck in. And we get a touchdown. 14-0 in the Super Bowl. Our ball. Gonna run it for a quick 1 yard. Truck, easy. Easiest first down. Wait, what do we need to do? We need Drake May. 2 more 5-yard passes. It's 5 yards to me, and we get that. Oh, nice. Oh, why is our Mike Unu playing tight end? He's a freaking tackle. I'm gonna try to get it to him. Yes. Oh, bro, our right tackle gets a touchdown. Literally here, right there, right tackle. Let's go. That's huge. Come on. 4th and 3. They kind of need to get this. We're destroying them. Shit. Okay, nice. Whatever. Aw, man, they're coming back. If they don't get this, they lose, I think. If they don't get this, that's probably game. Oh, Michael Parsons isn't in. Yep. Oh my God, Joey Porter. Oh, that should have been a drop. That's a nice catch. Shit. They're in this game. They're definitely in this game, bro. You get a touchdown. That's like a what? Shit. It's a 1-score game. And it's their ball. Shit. Give me that! Pink! Patrick Queen. I think that's game. I think Patrick Queen just sealed the game right there. Patrick Queen might have just sealed the game. Get this onside recover. They have 3 timeouts, but that's basically game. Get this onside kick recover. We get it. We get it. Just don't fumble. Don't fumble. Don't fumble. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shoot. Just gonna run the clock out. Oh, Drake Mass is X Factor, so I might try passing. Oh no, that just means I could see their. Oh yes, sir. Let's go. Dear play, which is pretty nice. Oh, I can only see a few of their players do. I have fucking a few safeties. Complete. 3rd and 8. If we need to, we will kick it, but probably don't need to. Yeah, a lot of safeties. Where's the read option? I think it's an even one. And that's games, that's wraps. Let's go. As long as run the clock out. Run the clock out. Truck, and run the clock out. And this should be the final play. As long as get the first down, and that is game. Let's go. Let's go. That's game. I just gotta let the play go out, and then yeah, we will win. So let's go, Najee Harris. And that is game. Let's try to get a quick touchdown real quick, actually. Snap it. A quick last-second touchdown also. Because why not? And the rebuild is official. We rebuilt the Pittsburgh Steelers to win a Super Bowl. Let's go. For my next videos, I'm probably going to do like a franchise series with the fantasy draft. So you guys can watch that. So yeah. In a video, and see you.